The Supreme Court issued notice to the Delhi police after an NGO alleged that they were being harassed by them. Remember, 1,100 trees were chopped in Delhi Ridge area. The top court has issued a contempt notice to the DDA as well. Here's a report. The Supreme Court has issued notices to the Delhi police and Axis Bank following harassment allegations made by NGO petitioner New Delhi Nature Society, which filed a case against the Delhi Development Authority for illegal tree cutting in the Delhi Ridge area. They say that the police contacted their bank, Axis Bank, and sought detailed information about their accounts. The petitioner has alleged the police has been asking about their trust.
Yeah, so one of the petitioner environmentalists, he's received certain notices. They reached the bank without the permission of the petitioner, of course, and they took out all the bank details, etc. This is absolutely unnecessary. I mean, there is no reason for them to be doing this. There are a lot of good work that they could have done. I mean, after all, these trees have been cut illegally.
Describing it as a serious matter, the top court has now issued notices. The matter will be heard on Friday.
The message today is quite clear, by the Supreme Court that don't shoot the messenger. Definitely a positive step, and like I said, it's a clear message, don't shoot the messenger. I mean, I'm sure the Delhi police will have to, give apt replies to this now, and they must, be accountable for all that they've done.
Politics has now intensified over this, with the Delhi government minister Saurabh Bhardwaj now attacking the Lieutenant Governor and saying that the whistleblowers are getting harassed by the Delhi police that comes under the LG. But the fact remains that the trees have illegally been cut and the accountability is yet to be fixed.
Green on paper, dry and dead on the ground. This is DDA's Green Belt on the Delhi Ridge. These trees were transplanted to replace trees that were cut, but they have all died because they weren't transplanted properly.
छतरपुर सतबड़ी के इलाके में जो पेड़ ट्रांसप्लांट किए गए हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये सही तरीके से नहीं किए गए हैं। पर इस केस में मैं देख रहा हूँ कि करीब 150 में से मेजॉरिटी पेड़ हैं जो वे सूख रहे हैं, सूख गए, उन पर नए पत्ते नहीं आ रहे हैं। इसका मतलब यह काम ढंग से नहीं किया गया है।
As Delhi gasps for breath, trees are being cut and efforts to transplant them are half-hearted. With Ishika Verma and Ashwini Kumar Singh, Bureau Report, NDTV.